Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful skill that can save you a ton of time and keep your projects running smoothly: how to add multiple rows at once in Smartsheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to insert as many rows as you need in just a few quick steps, whether you're getting organized for a big project or just tidying up your sheet. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about selecting your rows. If you just want to add a single row, you might already be familiar with the basics, but we're going to take it up a notch and add multiple rows in one go. Here, how you start: you'll want to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Think of it like highlighting a chunk of text or selecting a bunch of files at once. Now, while you're holding down Shift, click on the first row in your Smartsheet that you want to include in your selection. Then, still holding Shift, click the last row you want to highlight. Smartsheet will automatically select everything in between those 2 points, so it's a really fast way to grab a group of rows rather than clicking one by one. Keep in mind, the exact number of rows you highlight here directly affects how many new rows you'll be able to insert in a moment. So, for example, if you highlight 5 rows, you'll have the option to add 5 new rows. This makes it super flexible depending on your needs. If you're figuring out how many rows to select, just think about how many new items or entries you need space for. Once you've got those rows highlighted, here where the magic happens. You'll want to right-click anywhere within your selected group. Don't worry, it doesn't matter which row within your selection you pick. A context menu will pop up, giving you a few options. You'll see both Insert Rows Above and Insert Rows Below. These options let you choose exactly where you want the new rows to appear. For most situations, you'll probably want to use Insert Row Below. Just go ahead and click on that, and Smartsheet will automatically insert the same number of new blank rows as the number you originally selected, and those new rows will drop in right underneath the last row you had highlighted. This is perfect for when you need a clean slate to enter more tasks, add more information, or reorganize your sheet a little bit without disrupting your existing data. And that's really all there is to it. The process is quick, but the impact can be huge, especially if you manage large or complex sheets. One thing to remember is not to worry if you don't see the changes right away or if you accidentally insert too many rows. Smartsheet makes it easy to delete extra rows or quickly undo the action. Everyone makes a misclick from time to time. With this trick under your belt, you'll find it much easier to keep your Smartsheet organized and adaptable as your projects grow and change. Give it a try on your own sheet. You'll be surprised at how much time it saves. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button down below, and if you have any questions about using Smartsheet, just drop them in the comments. I love helping you all out. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.